What would happen if we went through a black hole? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and inspired countless works of science fiction. The truth is, we don't know for sure what would happen, but we can make some educated guesses based on what we know about black holes. First of all, we should note that no one has ever gone through a black hole, and it's likely that no one ever will. Black holes are incredibly dangerous and would almost certainly destroy any spacecraft that got too close. Assuming we could somehow survive the intense gravitational forces near a black hole, the first thing we would encounter is the event horizon. This is the point of no return, where the gravitational pull of the black hole is so strong that not even light can escape. If we managed to cross the event horizon, we would enter the black hole's interior, known as the singularity. This is where our understanding of physics breaks down, as the laws of space and time become warped beyond recognition. However, before we reach the singularity, we might be able to observe some interesting phenomena. For example, many black holes have an accretion disk, a swirling cloud of gas and dust that gets heated to incredible temperatures as it spirals into the black hole. We might also see jets of energy emanating from the black hole's poles, as material gets ejected at near the speed of light. If we're lucky, we might even witness the rare event of two black holes merging, which would produce a burst of gravitational waves that could be detected by instruments on Earth. In short, going through a black hole would be an incredibly dangerous and almost certainly fatal endeavor. However, if we could observe a black hole from a safe distance, we might be able to learn more about the mysterious and awe-inspiring objects that lurk at the heart of our universe.